beautiful candy. Too pretty to eat, too pretty too pretty to stop. Living for a reason, time to start living for fun. I'm on a spree and I'm gonna make sure it's a perfectly good waste of time. The sun today will be surrounded by eyes to play. I don't know whether to float or to fly. First I'll find something I don't need to buy. Something sweet like a hat with a bell, a blue paper can, whistles to blow as I dance down the street. Beautiful, 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 beautiful candy. Too pretty to eat. You have to wait. Go to your spots. I can't believe the candy shop has been open for 50 years.